Welcome to Upstyle Plus. How to delete a remote Git branch and local Git branch. Let's check branches. To check local Git branches, use Git branch. And we have got these branches on local. We are on main branch. This is how you check local branches. And to check remote branches, do git branch -r. And here we have got this branch that is at remote. Like here, you see this. Let me reload the page. And here we've got it, this branch. Remote branch. And to see local and remote branches, you can do something like git branch a -a. These are local branches and remote branches. Okay, let's delete remote branch. To delete a remote branch, use git push origin --delete and then branch name, that is 3. For short, you can also use -d, deleted 3. Reload. Now the branch is gone. Let's verify here as well. Git branch remote 3 has been deleted. Okay, so to delete a local branch, we will use git branch --delete or -d and then branch name. Let's delete 2. Branch deleted. And let's check branch 2 has been deleted. You can also force delete a branch. Git branch -D and then branch name. Git branch and branch name 1 also deleted. And if a remote branch has been deleted, remove its tracking branch with this git fetch --prone git branch -a. So these were the commands: git branch -r, git branch -a, and with -d or --delete, you can delete git local branch and git remote branch like this. And this is how you can delete local and remote branches using Git. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.